Alright, Alex is on fire right now. He's 7 for 7. Okay. Oh jeez. Yeah, do work. Oh dear God. Oh, that was a brown, dude. That was a brown. That was a brown. What the shit is going on?
It's just the weight's dragging, but see how it never stops?
No, I'm talking about how are you 8 for 8 right now?
There's this freaking gravel bed right there. I missed that. I missed the line that time. Oh, this is like a Montana video.
This is Yep.
Camera goes on and I freaking whip the first one and then freaking get camera shot.
You guys seen Steelhead in there?
Oh, there's a bed right here they always hang out at. Ethan and Jackie came here a couple weeks ago.
There he is. Oh yeah, baby. Oh dude, that's a nice trout. On the 6-foot. Here, give me the net. Give me the net. Give me the net. Hold on. You have fun with that. I'll put my rod up. Oh, he's going for a run. Oh, good God. Oh, no.
I just put too much pressure on him.
He's gone, dude.
I can't believe I just took 9 fish in fucking like 15 casts, dude. I'm not touching you. I'm not touching anything. Just walk off me, dude. Oh my God.
Did you break off?
I don't know.
Good, I want to get one in there.
Give it up, dude.
Nice. Here. Dude, you're on fire in that hole.
This dude, so undergunned, dude. So undergunned.
I got destroyed with that thing.
But I got the right rig.
I had like a 10-pounder just crush me. I fought it for like 5 minutes. He straightened out the hook.
Yeah, I was trying to.
Switch rod. You still got your rig? Huh? Oh, did you? No, I'm waiting for you. Get one on camera. Yeah.
How deep are you? How deep on the blade? Fish? Oh
Yep.
my God.
Yeah. I'm gonna try to horse him. He's gone.
Yep, there you go. Tip up.
I got it.
That's a clean fish, too. Get a little bit. There you go. Tip up.
Oh, he inhaled it. Oh, he's hooked good. Woo, baby. It's alright, just wait for him. He inhaled it.
Yep, there you go. Got tipped down.
I got it. I think my first rodeo. Ready? Oh, baby.
Dude, look at that hand. That thing is fucking gorgeous. Give me some fucking loving, baby. Look at that hen, dude.
Dude, he ate the fly. I just switched that up. Here, give me holding it. No, can you just grab it? Thanks. Strip, baby.
Thomas's big baby.